Futures, again, all in the green, but only just. Dow up 40, Nasdaq up 40. Kenny Polcari joining me now. Do you agree with my assessment that inflation is cooling, Kenny?
For sure, it is, and we've been talking about that. It is, and today's CPI shows that it's cooling.
Does it start a new leg up for the market?
Well, I think what it's going to do, at least it's going to settle some of it. But look, this hysteria in the market is really driven by AI, right? And it's been rotating between industry and industry and industry. It's going to hit insurance next. It's going to hit healthcare providers next because of the processes that AI is going to start to replace it. So I don't think that hysteria is over. And so I think there's going to be this continued volatility in the market as sectors get hit. But I do think that today's number does prove to everybody that not only is the rate of inflation slowing, right, because prices themselves have not come down, but it's the rate at which they're increasing is slowing, and that's a positive. Add that on to a robust economy, the other economic data we've seen, the big, beautiful bill, lower taxes, it's all going to be beneficial.
I mean, when you look at it, the fact is that we've got a robust economy right now. 4.5% growth.
We do.
Very strong jobs report. We are adding jobs to the economy, and yet inflation is cooling and interest rates are going down. That's a pretty good scenario.
Right. I think it's a great scenario. And, you know, poo-poo on all those people that said the tariffs are going to cause explosive inflation, all that stuff. In fact, it has done exactly the opposite because we've seen the pace come down. And today, you know, today's report was even better than expected, which I'm very happy about. I think a lot of people are happy about. Certainly the administration is happy about it.
We've got a modest rally in progress now, but I want to caution everybody, you never know how this thing is going to close at 4 o'clock Eastern this afternoon. Kenny, you have a great weekend. See you very soon.
And you as well.